So part 3 of Bitcoin analysis, and we're on the weekly chart still now. So what does this weekly chart tell me? Well, we've got this level here, that was that PPZ or flip zone, price pivot zone, and we can put a low on today's or this week's candle, because obviously that has caused this wick and created a huge jump in price, and we could do the same for the high, because they will obviously be areas of support and resistance should price decide to move at all today. I don't tend to draw trend lines too often if I can help it, because they do obviously create noise on the chart, but even as noisy as this looks now, when you get to the lower time frames, remember I am a scalper, that's the method that suits me. I can find brilliant gaps between these higher time frame levels, so not a lot else we can put on that chart. You know, this will end up being a daily ascending trend line once you get onto the lower time frame, so we might as well wait until that to create the level, the line. So stick that on there now, connecting these two lows that have made higher highs, low, high, higher, low. This is, in my opinion, a valid trend line point, because it's broken that high there. And bearing in mind this is a daily chart, we could put one on that there, because that is a lower high, higher low that's been broken by that high there. So that's how I draw my trend lines. We can do a descending trend line over here now. Those 2 points there, or there and there, 3 points, because this has broken, the price broke this low, that one's valid. The price broke this low, that one's valid in my opinion, and so on and so forth. So that's my view of those, and we can actually do another one here now, which price is currently attacking. Tighten it up to the high of that, oops, didn't mean to move that one, but don't worry. I was going to tighten the trend line up to the high of that red candle there, but it's not going to make much difference anyway. So what can we tell from this chart? Well, daily chart, we could draw the lines on the levels again, and if we had a break of this low here, low, high, higher, low, higher, high, then the price would be down, as it were, if this whole trend line thing attacked or made the price reverse. Then we've got the price attacking this support level, and we can see this is a congestion level here. This is where the main interest was, in my opinion. So this isn't a trade recommendation or anything, but the price definitely looks like it's bullish at this moment. There is a bearish looking red candle there, but what goes up must come down, and so on and so forth. So this isn't the technical analysis at this stage. On a daily chart, if I was going long on this is just a pullback on this massive down move, that's obvious. If I was going long on this, I'd want to see at least this indicator, which I absolutely love. If you're new to my stuff, this RSI Histo Alert, Google it and you'll find it probably on Forex Factory or something like that, free. And there are different colours. I've changed all the colours and everything, got rid of a few lines if memory serves me correct. I haven't had this on the charts that long, 3 or 4 months probably, and I think that I've got a massive amount to learn about it. This one unfortunately is a proprietary indicator I paid for, so I can't share it, but I've had it on my charts for nigh on 15 years now, so I get some great opportunities from it. This is one I like a lot, the momentum, what I call my momentum move, where the price turns red, fails to drop below zero, because there's just not enough power to the short side, and then the minute it turns green. Both of these are non-repainting, by the way. That's massively important. It's important to mention at this stage as well that I taught myself to trade pure candlesticks using this candlestick reversal method, and lost all the indicators, everything. No MAs, no levels, no indicators, nothing. Not a thing on my charts. But I've put these indicators back on because I know they're solid. It's been reverse engineered almost. I worked out how to trade pure candlestick analysis and then applied the indicator afterwards, finding the ones that matched up with the candlestick analysis. I hope that makes sense. So anyway, this was only meant to be an educational. I'm not trying to forecast where the price may or may not go today. That's not what I'm about. I'm about showing you how the levels, how I see my levels, how I see my reversals, how I understand candlestick analysis and candlestick reversals, and a little bit about indicators. But if we go down to the 4 hour, which I don't want to do in this video, this is part 3, because I made one yesterday and totally wasted my time and gave up and didn't upload a video yesterday, so it becomes counterproductive if I make them too long. So anyway, keep safe guys with the coronavirus thing, keep washing those hands and stay safe. Thank you for watching, have a great weekend.